Hello, this is Brandon with Nexus Property Management here today at 37 Windmill Street, Unit 3, Providence, Rhode Island. I'd like to take this opportunity to go ahead and ask you to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for all our vacancy needs. As you can see, this first room we are in is the living area, large enough to fit a sectional love seat, sofa, entertainment system, and directly adjoined to this room is your fully accessible personal porch, which has plenty of space on it. Coming off the living area, we will enter your kitchen eatery area. This kitchen is tiled. The rest of the home has hardwoods and tile mix. It is gas heat, as well as stainless steel appliances. Coming off the kitchen into the gallery, you notice it's fresh paint, new handles, stainless steel stovetop, a porcelain double bay sink with spray nozzle. This unit also is cable and internet ready, fed by gas heat. This unit has the capacity to be provided with cable and internet access. Please ask your leasing agent for more details. This first room over here is going to be your first bedroom. It is large enough to fit a full size, maybe a queen, a bureau, TV stand, and TV. Comes with a closet. Coming off this room, we will enter the second bedroom, which is also hardwoods, gas heated, provides ample space for a full size, potentially a queen. Once again, bureau and closet space is provided. This unit has dedicated laundry in the basement, as well as additional storage in the basement provided. Finally, we'll enter the bathroom, which has your standard toiletries, as well as Nexus welcoming package provided to all new tenants of our properties. Once again, this is Brandon with Nexus Property Management here today at 37 Windmill Street, Providence, Rhode Island, Unit 3. I would like to take this quick opportunity to remind you, as a tenant of Nexus Properties, you will be provided access to our online portal, which allows for easy pay options, 24/7 maintenance requests, as well as 24/7 general requests to your property manager. This is Brandon with Nexus Property Management here today at 37 Windmill Street, Providence, Rhode Island, Unit 3.